Nicole from the help desk, and I'm going to show you today how to add memory to your HP dc7900. As you saw in our first video, we showed you guys how to change a hard drive. Once again, just to reiterate some things, make sure the rubber feet, which are located on the bottom of the machine, are facing down. You will push the two buttons on the side here. So you hear a click. Remove the top. To add the memory, you're going to raise the optical drive, which is your CD drive, and you're going to raise up the power supply. As you can see, here's your hard drive. You're going to have 4 slots in your machine. This is the memory that you should receive from us. You'll remove both tabs back so they're open. The cords may be in your way, so you can just scoot those back a little bit. Make sure the memory is facing just as these. As you can see in this machine, the smooth side is facing, if you're standing facing the machine, it'll be on your right. You go ahead and place the memory in, straight down, until it's secure. Both tabs should click and your memory is seated properly. You'll do the same for the other slide. Again, make sure the smooth side is facing the right-hand side of the machine, just as the other memory. Press down on both ends. Both tabs should click and close secure. You'll go ahead and close down the power supply and the optical drive and replace the top of the machine. Should hear a click and your memory has been added. Thank you. Have an awesome